Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Gmail account permanently. Deleting your Gmail account is irreversible and it may impact other aspects of your daily life. So, do not treat this lightly. Here's what you should do before you erase your email account. It may save you from a lot of trouble later on. First, update your email address on other services. Second, set up a Gmail rule to redirect your emails. Third, back up your Gmail data in case you need to recover your account. Now, you're ready to permanently deactivate your Gmail account. Here's how you can do it on your phone. First, open your device settings app. Then, go to Google. Now, tap on Manage your Google account and tap on Data and Privacy. Then, scroll to Data from apps and services you use. Under Download or Delete your data, select Delete a Google service and sign in with the Gmail account you want to erase. Next, on Gmail, tap on Delete and enter an existing email. You can choose a Gmail address. Once you're done, hit Send Verification Email. Then, log into your other email account and click on the link in the verification message Google sent you. Then select Yes, I want to delete my Gmail account and tap on Delete Gmail to erase your Gmail account from your Android device. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.